Good morning, Quilting Bee friends. We're here at the Quilting Bee, of course, and this is Scott and Treasure, and we're here to do the drawing for this weekend's event, which was Small Business Saturday. And we had a lot of people come in. As you can see, we have all these little baskets filled with people looking to win one prize or the other. We have the Brother Pacesetter 500, and then we have the Kiwi table that it's sitting on from Arrow and Kangaroo Furniture. And then we have this wonderful gift basket that I think Rebecca and maybe Michaela put together.
Yep, it's valued at like
$500 or something, $570, something like that. Anyway, so they spent a bunch of time putting together a bunch of goodies for everybody here. So yeah, we have these wonderful prizes, and a lot of people came in. We had a good time. A lot of coffee was drank. A lot of fun was shared. So thank you, everybody came in to support us and other businesses around Spokane on Small Business Saturday. So would you like to proceed with?
I think we should do the basket first.
The basket first? Okay.
Is that the basket? Yeah.
I should do a drum roll. That was a pretty good drum roll, wasn't it? My wife was impressed.
Am I supposed to be impressed?
Yeah, she's supposed to be impressed.
Rosie Meyer.
Yay, Rosie!
It's the gift basket.
All right, Rosie, well, stop in any time and pick up your gift basket. You can enjoy all this stuff. Fantastic.
Okay, next is the table. There's a lot in here. It's going to spill all over the place.
Yeah, this is a small basket.
Okay, we have for the table, Christy Allen. Way
all right,
to go,
Christy. Great. That's a great table, and it even has what's really cool. It even has little thread storage pins you can put in. So you can have thread storage. Put these pins in. You can have thread storage in the drawers too. So it's just really a neat table.
Valued
Glad you won it.
MSRP $6.99.
Yes, and you can when you pick it up, you can either choose teak or white because we have both of them in stock. Whatever matches your sewing castle.
We ready? Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, another drum roll.
I was impressed with that.
That was a better one, wasn't it?
That was a better one.
Yeah. Practice makes perfect.
Unless you practice wrong.
Well, that's true.
Okay, and we have Tricia Smith for the machine.
All right, Tricia, yes.
Woo-hoo! Now this is a great machine to have as your only. To have as an extra, to have as a travel, to give it away for Christmas.
Could be anything.
Could be anything. Yeah. You've got options now.
It's one of those machines.
And it does come with master classes as well.
Yeah, it's just like in a normal Quilting Bee purchase, so you get your mastery classes and all that. The new mailer? Are we going to talk about the new mailer?
You are.
So the new mailer is coming out on?
This week, end of this week, middle of the week, Thursday. So check your mailbox.
Yes, and remember, as you go through here, you'll see all of our classes. You'll see all kinds of neat specials on things like that. And also, as we continue on through the month, we're going to have a lot of machine deals. There's certain machine deals going on right now by all the brands, but they keep cycling through new machine deals as we go through the Christmas season. So make sure to check in and see what machine deals might be there for you. We're also cycling through the open house season, which starts
December 1st.
December 1st.
And goes for like a week and a half or something like that.
Yes.
And we'll have demos and we'll have stuff going on. So
wonderful demos, and we'll have I think we'll have our
20% off regularly priced fabric and class supplies.
Yes, and we'll also have a used or previously loved machine sale too. So
no, that's in January.
Oh, that's in January. I'm sorry, but anyway, that's coming up soon too. So lots of good stuff going on.
Yes, and so on December 1st at 10 o'clock, you can start registering for classes, and at that time, the classes will be on the website as well, so you can see if you like that interaction with your computer.
And so make sure you do try to sign up early. We know that we on some of our favorite classes we have a little competition for slots in those classes, and we're sorry that we can't always accommodate everybody, but we try to for those favorite classes have them as often as we can. So I hope you're not disappointed that if you don't get into a class, but there's lots of other good classes to get into too. So we're trying to make sure we estimate the right number of classes for those that are popular, but take a look at that and sign up as early and often, as they say, right? Early and often.
No, probably not this time.
Okay.
So
well,
we,
yes.
we want to have everybody come and visit during open house. Drive careful.
Especially today, it's snowing
Yes.
out there pretty good. We're cleaning up the sidewalk as we speak, but we're from the Northwest. We're all hardy and we know how to drive in the snow, right?
I do.
There, I do too. Hope you do. So come down to the B.